Let's see, let her find it. Hey, Mary. I think there's one more thing. I think Santa left something for you up near the nativity scene.
What?
There's a piece of paper.
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
There's a piece of paper up here, sweetie.
I think it's from, because me and Mama didn't put it out, so it must be
Yeah.
from Santa.
What does it say on it?
What's that? Doing?
You recognize some of the words, I think. What does it say at the top?
Dear Mary,
Uh-huh.
You know that word.
you were
You were.
pretty
Yep.
good this year.
Good job. Most.
Most of the time,
Good job.
milk.
It says thank.
Thank you for the milk and cookies
Yeah.
you and your mom milk
What do you do for cookies? We
must
make
make the
best
best cookies best ever.
Who has a red nose?
Rudolph.
Rudolph. A and D, you know that word.
And the carrots.
The other
The other
reindeer.
reindeer like the carrots.
Good job.
Did Rudolph like the carrots?
I think so. It says your
Your mom made
made
your a very cookie,
a very
nice
nice
house. Gingerbread house.
no,
Not the gingerbread house.
nice house
Or round-fisted eye milk
no, for your dolls.
tall.
I think
I think
it needed
needed
furniture. Oh, Mary.
Oh wow.
What does it say? What's the last letter? You know that word.
Dolls
So it says go
go dolls
to
to
your
your
playroom
playroom
to
to see your furniture.
your surprise. Love, Santa Claus.
Love
Oh
Saint
my goodness.
Love St. Nicholas.
Yeah, you better go check your playroom and see what surprises